MKDIR, BGS. We have created one Hadoop directory, right? Hadoop FS hyphen MKDIR directory name. Directory name is here BGS. Created. Okay, home training is your local directory. Your BGS is your Hadoop directory. If you want to do anything, that could be happen in a Hadoop environment only. That could be happen in your Hadoop directory only. Okay, I want to create. This one is over. Shall I continue? Create one Hadoop directory. Done. Okay, next. Please note down. Create a text file. Please note down. Create a text file in local directory and move to Hadoop directory. Create a sample text file. Please note down. Create a sample text file. Create a sample text file in local directory and move to Hadoop directory. You should note down any pattern or any text file. Create a sample text file, local directory, and move to Hadoop directory. Shall I continue? Okay, first create a text file in your local directory. How to create a text file in your local directory? Using a cat command. Okay, now we are using a cat command. Cat sample.txt file. Press enter key. Cat greater than cats give one space greater than give one space sample.txt. Enter key. Now enter sample data. This is sample text file. This is sample text file. How to save and exit this file? Control Z. Save and exit. Control Z. Now all of you create one Hadoop directory and create one local file. One local file is sample. You should enter some input data. This is sample text file. Tag greater than sample.txt. After you want to create directory or text file. Which one? First create Hadoop directory. Create text file.
Again after remove after
Okay, greater than your file name, for example, sample.txt, and enter sample data. This is sample text file. Now how to save and exit? Control Z. How to save and exit? Control Z. Control Z. Your keyboard apply Control Z. How to save and exit? You should note down anywhere all these commands. How to save and exit? Control Z. You don't remember? You should note down.
Control Z. No, Control Z.
But don't restore machine multiple times. It will be crash. In my system also 2 times crash. Shall I continue?
Z. Get my book on this phone. That is also, that system is also not working. That one it was problem. That's why after all, get your system, try once you get it. Just try that time. what she did? No, it was running properly. She's putting and clicking enter, enter, enter,
Now, if
enter.
you want
How would
verify
I?
data, again you go with cat sample.txt. Control Z. Save and exit. Control Z. Control Z. Now, if you want verify data, how to verify data? Cat. For verify data, again cat command space your file name sample.txt. You are able to see content in your file. You are able to see the contents. If you want to, okay, first create Hadoop directory BGS, Hadoop FS -mkdir BGS. Next create sample text file. Okay, this sample text file is created in your local directory. It is created in local directory. Which command? Cat command. Cat greater than file name. You should enter sample data. How to save and exit? Control Z. If you want to display content, again go with cat command. If you want see, okay, content cat space file name. Okay, now what I am doing? I would like to move the sample.txt file from local directory to Hadoop directory. I want to copy the sample.txt file from local directory to Hadoop directory. Okay, please focus. We are using command Hadoop fs -put Hadoop fs -put. Okay, our file name sample.txt. Okay, your directory name, which directory? Which directory? Just now we have created BGS. Just now we have created one Hadoop directory, BGS. Hadoop fs -put your local file name, directory name. Now what this command is doing? Copy local files into Hadoop directory. Wow. I am repeating again. Latecomers, lag people who are lagging, who are latecomers, please follow again. So first create one text file in your Hadoop directory. How to in your local directory? Okay. First check your directory. Your directory is home training. This home training stands for your local directory. Right? First create one text file. How to create text file? Using cat command. Cat space greater than sample.txt. By using cat command, create one text file. Cat, you should give one single space greater than. Again, you should give single space sample.txt. Now enter sample data. You should enter sample data here. This is sample text file. This is sample text file. How to save and exit? Now I want to save and exit. Control Z. You should apply Control Z. All of you are doing. First create one text file in your local directory. Control Z. For this part is over. Everyone raise your hand. How many have created text file in your local directory? Shall I continue?
This responsive. Control C, you give fast. Control C. Control B. Control C, you give. Control B, you give.
Don't touch your don't touch. Shall I continue? Say yes or no? My last one. First create one sample text file in your local directory. For those who are creator, please let me complete. Remaining people also help them make it first. Okay, next. Next one, create Hadoop directory. Okay, next create Hadoop directory. Create one local file in your local directory. Next, create one Hadoop directory. How to create Hadoop directory? Hadoop. Use this kind of command. Hadoop. fs -mkdir bgs. You should create one Hadoop directory. Hadoop fs -mkdir bgs. Created, done. All of you create one Hadoop directory, one local file. Now what I am doing, I try to move this local file to Hadoop directory. If you want to perform MapReduce experiments, if you want to perform Hive experiments, if you want to perform Kik experiments, your data should be in Hadoop directory only. Because all are working in Hadoop cluster only. Your Hadoop cluster is working in a Hadoop environment only. Your Hadoop cluster doesn't support local directory. Got my point? Your Hadoop cluster doesn't support local directory. That means everything you should move to Hadoop directory only. Okay, how to copy this one? Hadoop fs -put. Your local file name is, what is your local file name? Sample.txt. Your directory name bgs. Hadoop fs. What I am doing here I try to copy your local file into Hadoop directory. First create local file, next create Hadoop directory, copy local file to Hadoop directory. Shall I continue? Okay, now you want to open your Hadoop directory and check this local file is available or not. Now I want to open my Hadoop directory and I would like to check whether my local file is available in Hadoop directory or not. Okay, how to check? Okay, all of you check your Hadoop directory. Hadoop fs -l